Now let's turn our attention to iPad.
The new iPad 8th generation. It's more capable than ever, and it starts with the A14 Bionic. This chip is a powerhouse. It features a powerful CPU and super fast GPU. Compared to the already fast chip in last year's iPad, it has a 40% faster CPU and delivers a massive 2x jump in graphics. And taking the Apple Pencil experience to a whole new level is iPadOS 14, which adds powerful new pencil capabilities and other new features as well. Handwritten text is just as powerful as typed text. iPadOS even understands what you write, letting you take quick actions with just a tap. As you sketch, shape recognition helps you draw perfect circles, stars, and more. Smart Selection understands the difference between handwriting and drawings, making it easy to select only what you want and paste your handwritten notes as typed text into another app. New compact UIs mean you can stay focused on the task at hand. And we know, once you start using Apple Pencil, you're not going to want to put it away. So we have Scribble, which lets you handwrite into any text field, even straight into numbers, or to add a final thought to that document you've been working on. The new iPad and the power of iPadOS 14 are an amazing combination, making it possible to express your ideas however you want to, wherever you are. With iPadOS 14, the already amazing experience of Apple Pencil gets even better. These powerful handwriting and note-taking features join a host of other new features that continue to push what's possible on iPad. And it all runs beautifully on the new iPad 8th generation, with its 10.2-inch Retina display, huge performance boost from the A12 Bionic, keyboard and pencil support, great cameras, and so much more. And it starts at just $329. And it's just $299 for our education customers. Customers can order iPad 8th generation today, and it will be available starting this Friday.
And that's not all. As I told you, we're updating our entire full-size lineup. So that brings us to iPad Air.
The new iPad Air starts with a gorgeous design. The all-new thin inline enclosure and narrow border design features a beautiful all-screen display. Each element of iPad Air is meticulously crafted, from the precisely machined top button to the sculpted detail around the camera. And the new iPad Air design comes in 5 gorgeous colors, including a new rose gold, green, and sky blue finish. Our customers are going to love these colors. And this new design features a stunning liquid retina display. In the same footprint as the previous Air, the new iPad Air features a larger 10.9-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640. That's over 3.8 million pixels for extra crisp text and photos. And it has advanced display technologies like full lamination, wide color, true tone, and an anti-reflective coating that combined deliver an amazing visual experience. To give our customers this beautiful all-screen design meant finding a new home for one of the most popular features, Touch ID. So we designed a next-generation Touch ID and integrated it right into the top button. This provides convenient and secure authentication while allowing the display to extend on all sides. Another reason customers love iPad Air is its performance. So we're debuting an incredibly powerful new chip, which is going to give the new Air a huge leap in performance. To tell you more, here's Tim Millay.
I'm super excited to tell you about the powerful new chip we've built into the new iPad Air, our latest A-series processor, A14 Bionic. Our goal is to build chips with industry-leading performance, powerful custom technologies, and extremely efficient use of energy to make every one of our products best in class. One way we do this is by aggressively adopting cutting-edge silicon process technology year after year. And now with A14, we'll be the first in the industry to use the breakthrough 5-nanometer process technology. The incredibly small scale of this process challenges the laws of physics In fact, we're talking about a scale so small that the dimensions of these 5-nanometer transistors are measured in atoms. This means we were able to pack 11.8 billion transistors into A14. That's an increase of nearly 40% over our 7-nanometer chip. We use these additional transistors to deliver new features, increased power efficiency, and increased performance in nearly every aspect of the chip. A14 Bionic includes a big update to our CPU. Our architecture runs more instructions in parallel, resulting in great performance at lower power. And it integrates large, high-performance caches sized to meet the needs of the most demanding applications. For A14's powerful new 6-core design, this results in an enormous 40% increase in CPU performance compared to the previous iPad Air. A14 also features our newest GPU architecture, scaled to deliver the maximum sustainable performance at the lowest possible power. An approach that also allows us to deliver industry-leading peak performance when it's needed most. For A14, our new 4-core design delivers a 30% increase in graphics performance as well. So for customers using iPad Air for performance-intensive apps like editing 4K videos, creating works of art, or playing immersive games, the incredible performance of A14 can handle them all with ease. In addition to the blazing fast CPU and GPU, A14 is loaded with custom technologies that drive the unique iPad experience, like a much faster neural engine, which will make iPad Air more powerful for machine learning. By doubling the number of cores to build a 16-core architecture, the neural engine in A14 is capable of executing an amazing 11 trillion operations per second. This increases ML performance by up to 2 times over the previous generation. In addition, our CPU is further optimized with 2nd-generation machine learning accelerators, which come to iPad for the first time and accelerate the matrix multiplication frequently used in ML computations at up to 10 times faster. So that's the new A14 Bionic. It delivers big performance updates for the CPU and GPU, makes iPad Air much more powerful for machine learning, and also features the latest ISP for higher quality videos and photos, and even faster Secure Enclave for Touch ID.
Another great feature we're bringing to iPad Air is USB-C. The new Air also includes great cameras front and back. The front 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera supports Smart HDR, improved 1080p video capture, and better low-light performance for really high-quality video calls. And on the back is the same 12-megapixel camera used in the iPad Pro, with focus pixels and a larger aperture to capture incredibly sharp photos and stunning 4K video, enhanced with improved video stabilization. And to elevate the audio experience, we've redesigned the speaker system, providing stereo audio and landscape mode. Great for kicking back and enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows. The new Air also works with our amazing accessories, including Apple Pencil, which attaches magnetically to the side for pairing, charging, and storage, and the beautiful Magic Keyboard with floating design and built-in trackpad. So this is the new iPad Air, featuring a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, next-generation Touch ID, a huge boost in performance with A14 Bionic, USB-C, advanced cameras, Wi-Fi 6, and LTE that's 60% faster. So that's the new iPad Air, and we can't wait to get it into our customers' hands. It'll start at $599. It will be available beginning next month.
All of these new releases will be available tomorrow. And all of the products we announced today will ship with these OS updates. Thank you all for joining us. At Apple, our mission is to design products and services that empower and inspire you. And we're so excited to see what you'll do with all of the new innovations introduced today. Everyone take care, stay safe, and have a great day.